see what's in the advent calendar. I kind of already can get a little sneak peek in the back, but I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna go through them and see what we got. So where is number 1? So we're gonna start with day 1. I'll be seeing people open these on TikTok, like just rip it. What we doing? So in day 1, we got vanilla sugar bath salt. I'll probably just let my baby put this in her little feet massager thing. All right, day 2. Let's see if this is worth $5.55. Day 2. I knew it. I'm being so messy. But how we gonna get it out? Hold on, wait, am I doing another day? Hold on, let's see. I think I done took so we got, I can't get it out. It is a bath bomb. And also it was a lip mask in there. Collagen Rose lip mask. I might use this and see how it is. So a bath bomb and a lip. So we got a bath bomb, a lip mask, and some bath salt. Day 3 is kind of big. Let's see what we got. Let's see. We got vanilla sugar body lotion. And I'm gonna guess that everything in here is vanilla sugar. Let's smell it. It ain't giving vanilla. Oops. It ain't giving vanilla. I don't know. So we got a bath bomb, a lip mask, lotion, and bath salt. Where we at? We on 4. Oh, I think we got some spray. We got facial mist. Very strawberry.
Mommy,
Yes.
you spray it on me?
Now that smells like strawberry. It's facial mist. Oh, so we got bath salts, a bath bomb, lip mask, lotion, and face mask, face mist. So let's go to 5. Yes.
I want that bomb.
You want the bomb?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have it.
Okay.
More. We got more bath salt.
We got more bath
So
salt.
we got 2.
2 bath salt. We added pink.
All right, we're gonna do 6.
That's 6. Why it is so crunchy? Look.
I am just turning this thing up. We got a hyaluronic acid eye mask. Okay. I think this is pretty good.
Okay.
Where we at? 7.
Okay.
Turn this box up.
This box. Some more.
So 7 is, oh, it's hyaluronic acid face wash. That's cute. So it's like a little spa package here. So what was that? That was 7. Where's 8? Let's do 8. Well, we got some berry strawberry essential oil.
Oil.
Okay. Oh, that smells good.
I like
Okay,
that.
I'm definitely gonna use this. Now I'm excited about that. That's the only thing I'm excited so far. What was that? We do 8, 7. That was 8. Okay, let's do 9. Collagen, collagen and vitamin C. So we got eye cream. Only thing I don't see yet is a face mask. We got a lip mask, an eye mask. We got eye cream. We got face wash, face mist, essential oil, and bath salt. 10. Okay. I already seen what 10 was because I ripped the box. 10 is a little loofah. I couldn't even say it. It's a loofah. So cute. I'm gonna give it to my baby though. I'm gonna let her have it. And then let's do 11. We got 2 more. 11 is another bath bomb. You guessed it. Another bath bomb.
I didn't want that.
I'll let her put these in her foot thing because she's not taking a bath with them. And then let's go to day 12. I think that was
Mine's so
look
squishy.
12.
Mine's so squishy. My look is so squishy.
I think what happened was this lip mask was supposed to be in 12 and it slid.
Mommy,
So
you can
yeah.
take this off.
It's a bummer. I thought it was gonna be something really, really nice.
Mine's so squishy.
But let's make sure we got everything in the bag.
Squishy,
1, 2,
squishy,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
squishy,
11.
squishy,
No, that's 11. Oh, 12.
squishy.
So yeah, do y'all think that was worth the $5 that I spent at Five Below? I think yeah, it was just $5. I just thought it would be fun to open it, and all of this is probably gonna go to my baby because I don't want any of it. So yeah, probably not the mask and eye mask, but like I said, she got this little foot massage, this foot little tub thing that she sits her foot in. Like if she was at the nail shop, she got one of those. So I'm gonna let her get this stuff so she can have her little spa day. All right, so that is the end of this video, you guys. Today didn't go as I planned it, but that's okay. We're sticking to the schedule for Vlogmas. I'm trying to vlog every single day, so fingers crossed. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I thank you guys for watching this video this far, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.